Hi, Algebra 2. I hope you're having a good week. I just wanted to let you know that this week ahead, I want you to, we're just going to practice what we've learned so far. I'm noticing on some of the assignments you're submitting that we need a little more practice. So there are no new notes that you have to take this week. This is the only video, and it's me just telling you that as I look at the curriculum and where we are and where we need to be, I'm feeling like we really want to hone in on domain, range, and operations with functions. That may have been a little much for last week. So I've provided 4 different practice opportunities for you on domain, range, operations with functions, and a little bit of review on the first week as well. Okay. So please do those assignments. They are graded, but there aren't any new notes this week. Okay. I'll see you in school.